online ko. For honor.
Okay, pagpili birthday boy, which one you like? Okay. Alright, so that was 4. Everybody clap your hands for the birthday boy! Yay! So later on, during sa masking appearance na mag-blow si birthday boy sa iyang official candle. But then right now, everyone, the food is ready there on the side. And then it's the most awaited part of the program. It's eating time. So for everybody, just feel free to fall in line to get your foods. Then of course, mga mommies, kindly, mommies, assist your kids to their foods. Alright, enjoy your meals, everyone! Happy birthday! We have baby Kuha. Nara, sleepy na. High five, birthday boy. Katugo na kaayo. Okay, kids. Do you want baby JJ to dance? Yes or no? Oh, so paano ba yan, baby JJ? Alright, once again, let's give it up for baby JJ. Nakamata lagi si birthday boy.
Okay na hadlok ang bata, oo. Okay na hadlok. Gana, convey na? Mabi na? Dili man lamang kunsa, dili man lamang kunsa.
Yay! So this time around, requesting baby JJ together with baby Johan, of course together with Sir Ryan and Ma'am Cha, to please stay here beside the cake for the official blowing of candle. Okay, I want everybody to sing. Get ready, let's play the music. Okay, ready? Birthday to you, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Come on, everybody sing. Happy birthday. You and say happy birthday. Okay, next. Say thank you. Say happy birthday. Okay, next. Say thank you. Okay, next. Say thank you. Say happy birthday. Okay. Kinsay wala pa yung look back. Line up.